Hi everyone, I am Swami and today we will learn something about top Indian spices and how to use them. There are more than 100 Indian spices. Many are obscure and used only in certain regions. Like stone flowers, combining traditional spices to produce beautiful cooking is an almost spiritual act. Let's start with turmeric. Turmeric is a ground spice, has an earthy supporting flavor. Of all the spices used in Indian cooking, this one has a huge health benefit and a very beautiful yellow color. Usually only a teaspoon is used to flavor and color a dish for a family of 4. Generally cumin seeds are best used whole. It's also used as a ground powder. At higher heat, cumin seeds will turn brown quickly. Make sure you don't burn them, and when they start to pop, you know they are done. Ground cumin powder is also an essential spice used in India. Coriander is the seed of cilantro and is one of the most essential spices in our list. Ground into powder just prior to adding to a sauce is the best way to use coriander seeds. Whether it's brown, yellow, or black, mustard seeds are an essential component in Indian cooking. And like many of the whole spices we have mentioned, they are often flavored for the cooking in oil at the beginning of preparing a recipe. Fenugreek seeds are quite bitter but have an enormous health benefit. The leaves are a green aromatic spice and are less prone to bitterness and have a delicious maple-like aroma. This Indian spice is what people say smell like curry. Asafoetida is used to enhance the taste. To cook with hing is to cook with one of the most powerful aromatic spices in the world. To use asafoetida, you must always add it in your frying pan when your oil is hot. It should sizzle for a few seconds. Garlic is not very much uniquely Indian, but it is used in every Indian recipes. For a milder flavor, add it at the beginning when you start frying your onions, or for a sharper flavor, add it after your onions are soft, giving the garlic less cooking time. Ginger is an absolute essential ingredient for most curries. It's fine to use this spice dried. Some recipes even call for it. Most Indian dishes call for ginger garlic paste. If you have none, you can cut a 1 to 2 inch length raw ginger, grated or minced, and cook it with your garlic after you have clarified your onions. Make sure you have peeled the ginger first. India's most famous seasoning is garam masala. It's actually a combination of dried spices including pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, cumin, coriander, tej patta, pepper and some others. Thank you for watching my video. In our next video, we will talk about different kind of cooking ways like steaming, frying, deep frying, shallow frying and everything. Thank you. Take care. Bye.